What's happening, folks? My name is Creatures. Welcome to another IPC, that stands for I Paint Creatures, video here on the World Wide Web. And just taking through my archives, this was a neat little commission I did, requested of a little, kind of like a little soldier and a lamb. And I have a person that's visiting me throughout the years from over there in the UK that loves lambs and loves them to be hanging out just chilling. So he has his stogie there and he's just hanging out. So this is one that was fun and did on the fly, and just love the spontaneity of it and bring it forth. And so it comes out of my archives, so enjoy that. And going to talk about another Joseph Campbell quote. Really use Joseph Campbell a lot in my life to basically reset, recalibrate how I see things and take it into a whole nother level of being. And Joseph Campbell, if you don't know who he was a world-renowned mythologist. He spent his time as a university professor and traveled all over the world and went into the deepest crevices of this earth and learned the language of the local jive and got to know the storytellers, the poets. And he did what is called comparative mythology or literature, and he would take these stories back to the university and compare them and see how they have a lot of the same meaning but just different symbolism. So his famous book was called The Hero with a Thousand Faces, and it's an essential thing in my toolkit in doing what I do as a storyteller and fantastical painter, and bringing imaginative worlds into place. And the quote today is, if you can see your path laid out in front of you step by step, you know it's not your path. Your own path you make with every step you take. That's why it's called your path. And I truly believe in that because every art I do and the poetry I do, I basically love to wander my imagination and let will and curiosity fuel it. And I definitely take it step by step. When I do fall and get caught, and what my Funky Eye Puppet cartoon puppet troupe talks about, we have the theme of get your funk stuck. And so anything that holds you back from really experiencing who you are and what you capably could feel and be and do in this world, you got to work that out. And a lot of times that funk gets stuck because you think your path is just laid out right in front of you, but a lot of it is a dance, and revealing the path and putting in the pieces of like how you arrived and your specialties and what you bring to the big overall mutual consent of beneficial creation, and always refer to what my story Matsu brought forth as making art together, support and unity. And we just know that if you take it one step at a time and be more playful and live everything like what's more revealing, and one way to practice that is the arts, and you don't have to necessarily do it professionally, but practice every day. Get a little pencil or pen out and add some color to a blank page and see where it takes you. Not necessarily have to do illustrative stuff, but more art, and make a picture that is a dimension that can see beyond the moment and see into yourself, and use that to just really do that. Know that your path, the whole instance of you trust your will and intuition, your passion, where you're going. It's almost like you step off the ledge and then there's another ledge below that you didn't see, and it just kind of carries you on and takes you. So every step you take, Joseph is talking about, is your path, and it will fill in itself if you move forward with intention and purpose and belief in yourself, and of course tapping into everyone's supernatural power of the imagination to see way beyond, see and think from, and look at the moment as all these aided things that come together to make it all shine forward, and be who you be in a world that completely will definitely bow to your presence and your excellence if you come forward with that uniqueness and breathe it forward in and breathe it out. I love to use language and especially poetry to be a little mischief and not make it so known, and make it a rich, fun experience every moment, every day. So definitely, if you can see that path laid out in front of you, it's not the path. Take the creative one and start sailing, shining, and soaring. Thank you for watching the video. Peace.